Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. That will be super helpful video guys to any of you having guys a Ford F-150 generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the power steering control module is located guys. It's known as a relay fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. It's super important fuse. All that will be covered today. We'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses from and how to test fuses as well. So all that information will be explained in this video. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what do we have specifically here? 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful as well guys. We're going to open the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open the hood, in the engine bay right above the radiator fan, we have a fuse box. Super simple to access. Once you open it, you have that fuse box, you will face it that way. And you have the relays right here, fuses, okay. And before we explain which fuse you need to check, let us tell you why it's super important to test fuses in relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse guys that you will need to check specifically for the power steering control module. You can see that row of fuses right here, okay. By the way, you have different kinds of fuses and relays, and those could be expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. So check it out for your convenience. Right here guys, you can see right here that row of fuses. You will need to check the first 5M fuse. That's for the power steering control module. It's a multi-purpose fuse that is for multiple things, but one of those is the power steering control module. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.